Fakhrzaman, number 24, 4.2 crores. Fakhrzaman at 4.2 crores.
Islamabad.
At 4.2 crores. Islamabad has raised the paddle at 4.2 crores. 435, Lahore Qalandars at 435. Islamabad United has raised the paddle, 4.5. Lahore Qalandars has raised the paddle,
4.65.
465. 480, Islamabad at 480. 495, Lahore Qalandars. 510 for Islamabad United. We're looking at 525, 525 for Lahore Qalandars. 525 for Lahore Qalandars. Islamabad United is out at 525 for Lahore Qalandars. Anyone interested? Anyone else interested? At 525, we've got Lahore Qalandars. The paddle has been raised by Peshawar Zalmi. 540, 540. 555 for Lahore Qalandars. Anyone for 570? 570. 570 for Peshawar Zalmi. 585 for Lahore Qalandars. Can I have a 6 crore? 6 crore from Peshawar Zalmi. 6 crore from Peshawar Zalmi. Fakhrzaman at 6 crore from Peshawar Zalmi. Can I have a 615? We've got 615 from Lahore Qalandars. 630, we're looking at 630. Peshawar Zalmi at 630. Are we looking at 630? We're looking at 630 from Peshawar Zalmi. 645 from Lahore Qalandars. 660 if Peshawar wants him. 660. 660 if Peshawar wants him. All right, Peshawar, are you in or not? They've raised the paddle. 660 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. 675 from Lahore Qalandars. 690 if Peshawar is interested. 690 if Peshawar is interested. Peshawar Zalmi, are you interested? Peshawar Zalmi is taking their time. They've raised the paddle at 690. 705 is what we are looking at from Lahore Qalandars if they are to have Fakhrzaman back in their squad. 705. 705 is what we are looking at. They have gone for it. 705 is what we are looking at from Lahore Qalandars. 720 is what we are going to be looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. 720. 720. Peshawar Zalmi having a bit of a chat with regards to this bid. 720 is what we are looking at. All right, Peshawar Zalmi, are you in or out? Taking a moment, taking a moment. Peshawar Zalmi has raised the paddle at 720. Lahore Qalandars, 735. Back to Peshawar Zalmi. 750 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. 750 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi.
This is absolutely heating up for Fakhrzaman. Lahore wants him at all costs and seems like Peshawar is fighting hard.
750 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. Peshawar Zalmi, are you interested at 750 for Fakhrzaman? $750 is what we are looking at. Peshawar Zalmi, are you in or are you out?
Peshawar is out.
Peshawar, are you out? They've raised the paddle after much deliberation. 750, but we've got 765 from Lahore Qalandars. Lahore Qalandars does not want to let go of Fakhrzaman at any cost. 765 from Lahore Qalandars. 780 is what we're looking at from Peshawar Zalmi if they are to get Fakhrzzaman. 780 is what we are looking at from Peshawar Zalmi. They've raised the paddle at 780. 795 is what we require from Lahore Qalandars for Fakhrzzaman. Having a bit of chat as well. Very keen to have Fakhrzzaman back for Lahore Qalandars.
A lot of smiles.
795 from Lahore Qalandars. 795. Can I have an 805? Can I have an 805 for Fakhrzzaman from Peshawar Zalmi? $805 from Peshawar Zalmi. 8.1. 8.1 is what we are looking at. Peshawar Zalmi, are you in? Peshawar Zalmi taking a moment after this bidding war, having their discussions. 8.1, are you out, Peshawar Zalmi? Peshawar Zalmi is out. Peshawar Zalmi is out. Anyone else on this floor interested in Fakhrzzaman? Anyone else interested in Fakhrzzaman? All right, it seems like no one else is interested. Lahore Qalandars have managed to retain Fakhrzzaman, going once, going twice, and sold.